Come this. That's what. Hi guys, and welcome to my first official YouTube video. So this morning we're heading to the store. I have a few runs to make, so come with us. Budget is $10,000. I'm trying to see how close I can stay within that price range. So let's go. No, what is this?
That's the juice. That's the juice. Yeah.
Sorry, who's gonna pay for it?
The lady.
It's with these. That's what? That's the gummy worms?
Yeah.
Okay, you like gummy worms?
Yeah, it's tasty.
Okay, put it in there.
Yeah.
Good. Alright, so let's get some donuts. I'm gonna buy 2 of these.
Yeah, 2 of these for my best friend Zara. I'm going to Zara.
So first we stopped at the wholesale and that total was $4,940. So now we're at the supermarket and we're gonna pick up a few stuff. So let's see how much this will come to. Remember, our budget is $10,000. All right, so let's go. These are all the stuff that I got today, and remember I said my budget was $10,000. So overall I think I spent just a little bit over 10,000. Yeah, just a little bit. I'm gonna leave the exact amount I spent on the screen, but yeah, this is all I got, and this is just a top up shopping for today. Yeah. So what you think?